The big announcement is we've changed the recipe. We've changed the recipe of the yellow curry paste. So it's packed with even more cumin, more turmeric. It's a little bit less sweet than the original, but it's still great with seafood, brilliant with crab, with whitefish, with prawns, with scallops, great with chicken also. There's some kale in there, some other vegetables. It's still a really tasty curry. The other bonus is it's vegan. So we started from scratch with this one, we designed it from the bottom up again, and now it's a vegan recipe. It's the second product we've got that's vegan. But please don't think there's any compromise in flavour, okay? It just happens to be vegan. So just know what you're looking for. There's not much difference between this new pack and the old pack. The old pack had a great taste award on the front. We've had to remove that because this is a new recipe. We're going to enter it again into the awards for this year, so we'll see what happens. So just to make sure that we think we're behind this recipe, we're going to give 25% discount on this product. So it's going to be live on our website today. It will be also appearing in shops very soon. But if you go onto our website, we'll give you 25% off this. Put the code in that we'll give you on this post, and we'll also give you 25% off the coconut milk, and that's valid for the rest of September. So please have a look for it, give it a try, and don't worry because it's all still yellow. See you soon.
And it was all yellow.